Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is day 6 of my embroidery journey. So today I will be learning whipped stitch. Okay, so it is like we have to do the complete back stitch and then you have to insert or you have to loop out that particular thread. So let's start with the video. So let me draw the back stitch. Okay. In order to do the whipped stitch, we have to do a continuous back stitch. Okay, so let me continue and complete the back stitch till the end. So I have completed the back stitch. So in order to do the whipped stitch, take the needle, insert through this normal stitch and then pull the needle. Okay, similarly like this and then pull the needle. Same way this and pull the needle like this and then pull the needle like this and then pull the needle, same way like this and then pull the needle, pull the needle, then like this. So this is the whipped stitch. First you do the back stitch, okay, and then from the last one this. So will be a turn like a structure. Next you can go inside. Make a knot and end it. So this is how you do the whipped stitch. Okay, in order to whipped stitch, you do the back stitch and then you from the top you try to insert the needle and the thread in a loop pattern like this. So this is whipped stitch. I have told like how did I try to do the whipped stitch in this video. So this is all in this video. So thank you so much for watching, and if you are new to the channel and did not subscribe yet, kindly subscribe and do watch. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.